Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Neelima. In this video, let's see a very simple yet very tasty breakfast chutney. This doesn't need a lot of ingredients. Now, let's get started. For this, put on the stove, take a wok, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, let it get heated up. Then add 250 grams of onion, chopped into not very big or not very small pieces. Salt them and add few garlic cloves also. You can skip them if you don't want garlic. Fry them till they are slightly brown in color. Then add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. The chili powder quantity depends on your taste. Add the required salt. Here I am adding 3/4 tablespoon. Then add half spoon of finely mashed jaggery. Do add jaggery because this adds a lot of taste to the chutney. Keep on frying till they get totally fried up, till they become golden brown and little oil accumulates at the edge of the wok. That is the stage where we have to put off the stove. Let the mixture get totally cooled down. Now transfer this mixture into a mixer jar. This tastes awesome even if we use it as a topping for plain dosa. Now add half spoon of tamarind paste and 50 grams of fried gram. This fried gram acts as a binding agent, so we have to add fried gram to this chutney. Add little water, don't add a lot because we want to keep this chutney little thick. See, this should be the required consistency. We can have this as is as a side dish for breakfast items, or as said, we can use it as a topping for dosa. Now let's do a little tempering to this chutney. Take a wok, put on the stove, add half a spoon of mustard, half spoon cumin, few curry leaves, fry them and add this tempering to chutney. Now tasty and simple chutney is done. This takes 15 to 20 minutes. Hope you find this recipe useful. If you find it useful, please give a big thumbs up, share it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. I'll catch up with you with another recipe.